Hello everyone and welcome to another my YouTube channel. Today we will discussing about the euro yen using time frame for hour until 5 minutes or 1 minute man. According to this is the Friday. According to charts that I want to see, this is the higher high. This is the higher high. Okay, this is the higher high, and then the pair should be can do another higher again because uh, there is no. I think in my opinion there is no it the price should be moving. Yes, it can do another higher again before it can turn another lower. Okay, because it should be divergent. Okay, in the 4 hour must be divergent, but you must know that if we want to entry at this point, yeah, okay, if you want to entry selling, I'm selling at this point because the price is already in the middle Bollinger Band. So let me try to find in the 1 hour. Okay, this is the 1 hour I already showing. This is the extreme. Okay, this is the especially this price is already extreme because extreme it's because the MA5 is this is the MA5 is already above the upper Bollinger Band, and this is the signal extreme for me. So the setup is extreme and the 15 must be extreme. Okay, this is the 4 hour, 1 hour, and then M15. Okay, so let me see in the M15. M15 must be another extreme again. Okay, we saw this is the already extreme, so the setup for re-entry extreme and extreme is already complete in 100%. So that's why I'm selling this price according to this. I'm taking my setup. So and then the awesome oscillator is already in the negative territory. This is why I'm selling the euro yen. Should be and then the MA10 and MA5 is already pointing low, and this is the reason why I'm selling. But it's not 100% if according to this signal, because the price still above the MA200 and above the MA50. This is for me, but the the first signal is awesome is already in the minus territory. This is the first signal for us to selling. Okay, and if you want to add another selling, it should be wait a minute. Okay, if you want to selling, make sure that the awesome oscillator, this one, is already in the minus territory. Okay, this one minus territory, you can sell it. Okay, and then this is the minus territory, you can sell it. So another sell must be in the minus territory, and there is no minus territory around this area. Oh sorry, there is no minus territory around this area. Okay, that's why you cannot sell it. When you show that the awesome oscillator in the minus territory at this area, then this is the time for you to sell it. So okay, that is the reason why if you are using actually trading using awesome oscillator is enough for you, for me, for you, for trader, because the awesome oscillator is the first signal for us to buy or to selling. So especially if you are using the MA200, this is the main signal. This is the main signal. This is the second signal. Combine between two signal, MA200 and awesome oscillator is very powerful, because for the example for this area, guys, when the price is above the when the price is above the MA200, the only signal is only buy. Okay, the only signal is only buy. That's why above this area, this one you buy. Okay, and then the price is not moving low. This managed territory, don't do anything. Okay, and then price is not above the MA, above the awesome, above the 0 point in the plus territory. Okay, you buy, and then when this is one, you maybe you cut loss or maybe don't do anything. Okay, don't do anything because still price still above the MA200. Okay, and then when the price is above this one is already in the plus territory, and then in the positive territory, then you add another buy, and then this one is another buy. Okay, and then yeah, only buy when the price is above the positive territory. Okay, you buy. Okay, so when you sell it, how about when you sell it? This is you can try from this area, you sell it. Okay, because still in the the price is already in the awesome oscillator, is already in the minus territory. This is minus territory, guys. Then you sell it. Okay, adding another sell when the price is already in the minus territory. Okay, that's why yes, you have some minus point from this area to from this area you have minus point because it's already minus 30 point more, but you sell it. When you sell it from this area, this is the first sell number 1, this is the sell number 2. Okay, so when it's already break even point, close from this area, this is close. Okay, close your open in the higher, this one is close. Okay, so when this one, and then when price is going low, and then you from this area you close. So this one, the sell number 1 is still open, expected that the price still going another low. Okay, going another low again from this area, price still going another low, and then after price another low, place your stop loss maybe 5 point or 10 point from your open position, stop loss plus. Okay, this is how we play, guys, and hopefully you understand. And you know, we have our account management, just read in my description below. We have some account management, minimum is only $3,000 from your account. Just send me, I don't have any WhatsApp number, but I have a Telegram number if you want to contact me using my Telegram number or Signal number. Okay, I have 2 applications, Signal and Telegram. So with the same number, just contact me if you are interested with my account management program with profit share for about 40% for me and 60% for you as my investor. And I'm not accepting the transfer, but I'm trading your account. Okay, your account, your balance, your capital. Yes, only you can withdraw your money. I cannot withdraw money from the account, but only you can withdraw from the account. So that's why it will be safe for you. Then I will be very safe in play. Okay, once again, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye and have a nice day.